Hey, you. What you doing? What you doing, you? What you doing? And today, we got some seafood lasagna. About to do a W review of the seafood lasagna.
But do they really love me though? Do they really love me though?
I'm gonna get this on a plate and I'm gonna get this microwaved up.
I would touch the sky like a
I'm gonna see what this seafood lasagna talk about.
Like rodeo. Bus stop niggas, yeah, they come and go. Yeah, they come and go. And letting time fly on the outside. Where you was at when I was on my bum eye. You see me whipping now, they down they ride.
So what we got going on right here? Some BioSteel. Oh, warmed up. You know what I'm saying? First bite. Shrimp rocking.
Looking in the mirror, the nigga that make me. But do they really love me though? Do they really love me though? Yeah, I was touch the sky like a birdie though. It go around and spin around like rodeo.
Ooey gooey.
Bus stop niggas, yeah, they come and
cheesy
go.
Deliciousness.
I'm staying 10 toes. I'm in the back whipping when it's curtain closed. And I do it till I run.
Got a lot of flavor.
Asking myself, do they really love me though? And I'm running on the track.
I definitely tasted seafood. I don't know all the kind of seafood that's in it, but it hitting the spot. That's for sure. Bon appetit.
Do they really love me though?
Bon appetit.
Sky like a birdie though. It go around.
Ain't nothing in that bowl, girl.
Asking myself, do they love me though? Do they love me though?
What is you doing? That ain't it. That ain't. Hey, Bella. That ain't it. But this right here. This is it right here. This is it. Look at that. I'm loving this. Compliments to the chef. You know what I'm saying? What about you? What you gotta say? What you saying, baby? Alright, this is a little bonus clip. We got a little quesadilla Birria. Quesadilla Birria. Mind you, this is it's a day old. I mean, it's like a few hours old. I mean, you know what I'm saying? And like maybe 2 hours is gonna be 24 hours old, okay? But it's microwaved. It got the Oaxaca cheese. And yeah, we're gonna see what this quesadilla Birria is talk about. Shit is flopping all about. So we gonna have this garlic butter chicken. Trying out the brand new Ninja 3-in-1 stove top. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the flea market. Ooh, that thing is hot. Why did I touch that? Okay, so we gonna try out this little Ninja. I don't got the box. I got it from a little even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, look at this chicken, man. Oof, steaming in there. Smell the aroma. I'm gonna pull up in the Rover. You can smell the aroma. So we're gonna cook some cauliflower mac for the side. Some Kevin's Naturals Foods cauli mac and cheese. Keto, you know what I'm saying? No pasta. We got that searing with some butter. I don't know how much butter. This cheese sauce. Look at this cheese sauce. Oh, it really looks some cheese sauce for real. Is this real cheese sauce for real? Who knows? We're gonna put some mild cheddar and some mozzarella with the sparkling ice. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the sparkling ice because sparkling ice is where it's at. I'm actually gonna put some more butter in this because it's sizzling. I mean, it's not smoldering. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Smoldering. You ever have a dream? All right, steaming. Look at that. Just what the doctor ordered. Just what the doctor ordered. Boom. Just need some salt too, to be honest. I'm gonna put some salt on that. Let's get some salt on that. I can't do it with one hand. The challenges. So I got the cheese sauce in there. I reduced it to a simmer. You know what I'm saying? So it's looking like nice and scrumptious. WWW. Look at that, man. Nice and cheesy in there. A little Saturday night dinner. So we're gonna let this simmer. For a few more minutes. And we got the chicken here. Dang. That chicken got no browning. But I'm pretty impressed, man. This Ninja Top is doing this thing. And we're gonna about to put it all together and see what we got. Look at this. Look at this. That's a cheesy cauldron right there. Yes, sir. We're gonna turn that off now. All right, man. So we got this simmered up. The beautiful sound of that chicken. We're gonna plate. We're gonna plate this now. So there's some garlic butter chicken. I wish it was a little browned on there. You know what I'm saying? It's not browned or anything. Probably gonna plate it for some meal preps. Courtesy to my brother. But I'm pretty satisfied, man. I'm very satisfied with my little purchase from the garage sale. Oh, smell amazing. We're gonna put some more butter on this because it's more. It's. I taste tested it. It's more. It's giving more garlic than it's giving butter. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe get some more of this sauce right here. Ooh, not burn my hand because I got a problem with the heck, whatever the heck I'm doing right now. Yeah, gonna burn my hand. I don't know why it's smelling amazing though. Amazing. I'm actually gonna turn this off now. It's gonna simmer a little more. And I'm gonna plate it. Just like that. And then we're gonna get the mac and cheese on there. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this one. 3 whole spoons. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do 3 spoons because I'm trying to save that. And there you got it, folks. Look at that. I'm gonna put some more salt on the top. There you have it, folks. First bite about to be crazy. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh. Yeah, I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. Yes, sir. Let me see. Get a piece of this chicken. Get a little dollop. I meant to say. I'll really be doing something. What you talk about?
This time around.
A little bit
kind of
habanero honey mustard.
Is it really that bad?
Habanero honey mustard.